making Nigerian jollof rice. So there has been a lot of controversy between the Nigerian jollof and the Ghanaian jollof. So guys, hit me up on the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. Do you prefer the Nigerian jollof or the Ghanaian jollof? For me personally, I haven't been opportune yet to have a taste of the Ghanaian jollof, but I grew up eating the Nigerian jollof. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make the Nigerian jollof. So let's get cooking, guys. First, I will be adding my vegetable oil. I'm going to let that heat up a bit. I think I'll add my onion. I'll let that fry on a bit. Now I'm going to add my tomato paste. I'm going to break my paste and make sure it's fried very well. You can fry this for about 5 to 6 minutes. You know your tomato paste is fried and ready when it starts to bubble. I'm going to show you when it starts bubbling. So this is how it looks. Then I'm going to add my pepper mix into the pot. Give it a good stir. Then I'll add my spices. I've got ginger powder, garlic powder, thyme and curry in here. I'm going to add those. Add my salt, my crushed seasoning cubes, and some bay leaves. Now I'm going to give this a nice stir. Then I'm going to cover and let it fry for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add my washed rice into my pot. Then I'm going to give it a nice stir. Let it fry for a bit. About 1 or 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add my stock. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of water. Now I'll cover the pot and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes and our jollof rice will be ready. While we are waiting for that, guys, go down below and subscribe. Remember, when you subscribe, you get all our amazing recipes every time we post them. Okay guys, so remember to subscribe. So our jollof rice should be ready by now. Let's check on it. The aroma coming from this pot is amazing. Our rice is ready. So guys, here you have it. Nigerian jollof at its best. You guys should definitely try yours and make sure you tag me as Dish So Sweet when you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Dish So Sweet. Join me as Dish So Sweet on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like, comment and share guys. There's love in sharing and sharing is free. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.